What's up everyone? Thanks for tuning in with the Phoenix Tech. Today's video is the one that you don't wanna miss. So today we are unboxing the Rebel T7. It's a DSLR camera by the Canon. It's a budget camera for the beginners, and let's dive right in. So firstly we will get the strip for the camera, some papers, warnings, the manual for the camera, and then we got the battery. It's the battery. As you can see, the battery. Then we have the lens, very decent and sustainable packing. So this is the lens. So if you can see, it's a EFS 18 and 55 mm. So we'll keep it aside. Then we have the power brick for the charging. Then finally we have the camera. Nothing else. So the first impression is quite decent, matte finish and a good amount of grip. So I think it's pretty good. I think, yeah, it looks amazing. So now we will keep this paperwork aside, the strap, the lens, the power brick, and the battery. So these are both the guards at the end, as you can see. So here you go, and for the battery it's down, and now pretty decent packing for the battery as well. As you can see, we got the manual for the start, and I will set it, and we'll see how it goes later on. And if you wanna see more review on the camera after some time of work, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.